on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making slow cooker ground beef and potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of russet potatoes. You want to peel them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. I have them soaking in cold water so they don't turn brown. 1 cup of beef broth. 1 pound of ground beef. 1/2 of a medium onion diced. 1 15-ounce can of light red kidney beans, and you just want to drain them. 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay guys, these ingredients are for garnish at the end, and they're all optional. I have sour cream, extra sharp cheddar cheese, and also scallions. To a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. We're going to let our onion saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our ground beef. You want to go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed in well with your onion. Now you want to let it continue to cook until it's browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking all the way, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat, and you want to drain it of all excess grease. Okay guys, I have my slow cooker. So we're going to put our potatoes in a layer on the bottom. I drained all my water from them. Next, we're going to add our ground beef in. We're going to add it right over top of our potatoes. Now we have our kidney beans, and we're going to place that over top of our ground beef. We're going to add in our cup of beef broth. We're also going to add in our tomato sauce. Next, we're going to add in all of our seasonings. This is our black pepper, our salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and also our minced garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a mix. You want to make sure your potatoes are coated with the tomato sauce and the beef broth. You want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can place your lid over top. Now you want to set it on high for 4 hours. Okay guys, it's been 4 hours. Look how delicious this looks. It smells really good. The potatoes are tender. And guys, if you want to, you can add about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese to this and mix it in and let it melt. Okay guys, so to mine, I just shredded a little bit of extra sharp cheddar cheese on top. I added some sour cream, and lastly I added some scallions. I just used the green parts. Look how delicious that looks. Remember, the cheese, the sour cream, and scallions are optional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon, I got more to serve. Y'all